Hey guys, welcome to the first ever Tech Time. I'm your SBO Tech Specialist Nick Lloyd, and I have special guest with me, Lindy Bell, who is a official feature writer for The Rambler. Today we'll be showing you cell phone tips and tricks, and for today's segment we're going to be using an iPhone. But if you go to the link right here, you can find the same features for Android or other devices. So let's get started.
I can make your hands clap. Said I can make your hands clap. Somebody sing your song.
Okay, so for this first tip, we're going to be showing you how to gain a more manual control over your phone's camera. So if you go ahead and open up your phone's camera app, if you tap on the screen, you'll see a little sun. And if you go ahead and grab that sun, when you pull up, it'll get brighter, and when you pull down, it'll get darker.
Okay, so our next trick is showing you guys how to do a text replacement in your text messages. So go to Settings, General, Keyboard, and then go to Text Replacement and add new text replacement. Then for your shortcut, I'm gonna do shrug and this little emoji. So then you press save, and now you have that as your shortcut when you press shrug.
Okay, and that's all we have time for today. So
Thanks for having me on your sick awesome show, Nick.
no problem. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.
Go Rams!